Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I chose for my fall FABFITFUN box. I am partnering with FABFITFUN today and I'm going to tell you all about it. If you haven't tried them or heard of them, I don't know how you couldn't have heard of them, but they are a customizable seasonal subscription box that arrives at your doorstep. You get to choose the products and you get 6 full-size products from an array of categories. So fitness, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, wellness, so many different options, and I love that you get to choose the options. Now this box comes 4 times a year, so they are seasonal boxes, and each box has a value of up to $350, but the box itself is much more affordable. Now each box is $79.99 per quarter, but I do have a code which is Babs Beauty, and that will get you 20% off your first box. So that is the seasonal membership, and if you want even more savings, they do have an annual membership. So that will save you $60 a year, making each box $65 rather than $79.99. And the annual membership is $259.96. Again, you will get about $60 savings if you do get the annual membership. And I do have a code for that as well. So if you sign up and use my code BabsBeautyGift, you will get a surprise $200 gift with your annual membership. So you can use either of those codes, just depends on what would work best for you. So I will have the links down below as well as the codes, just so there's no confusion with all of the information so you know which code does what. But I wanna get into my box. I wanna show you what I chose. There was a lot of really fun and exciting options. Lots of categories where I couldn't decide. I wanted like multiples in each category. So let's go ahead and get into what I chose for my fall box. All right, so I've grabbed my box here. I'm excited to show you what I chose. Let's start off with a product that I have been loving and I can't get enough of in my household, which is gonna be a throw blanket. And this is from the brand Sunday Citizen. They have such gorgeous bedding. So this is called the Snug Lap Throw, and this is in the shade Cherry Lacquer. So this retails for $68. It is such a gorgeous, rich, like burgundy shade. I love throws. My dogs love throws. I have 3 dogs at home and I have throws all over my house, on every chair, every couch, every bed, and my dogs definitely take advantage of it. This is such a soft, lush throw, and I like that it's soft because a lot of times throws look good but they don't actually feel comfortable. This one is super soft and snuggly, although there were a couple other items that I was definitely looking into for choice number 1. A couple other options from choice 1 that I was really interested in would have been the Mela Artisans Scalloped Edge Mango Wood Board. So that has a retail value of $100. I love the scalloped edge look for home decor, and we do entertain a lot, so that would be something I would get a lot of use out of. I also really liked the Meso Goods Candelabra candle holder. So this retails for $59. I just love this type of decor. I love like the squiggles in it. It's just really on trend, and most of the finishes in my home are gold. And then I was also looking at the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So those retail for $65. I've gotten more into using those just to prep for makeup when I feel like my skin needs some exfoliation. So those were the ones that I was eyeing, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get the most use out of a throw blanket, and I'm so happy that I chose that one. Staying on theme for choice number 2, I just thought these would look so beautiful in my home. So I got these 2 mugs from the brand Noon and Moon, and oddly enough, they are in the Cherry Lacquer color. I just thought that was funny because it's like the same as the throw, but they're different brands. But these retail for $76, and I thought these were so beautiful, and I love the coloring. I really like how on trend these choices are, and I am more into like home decor. Since I've bought my house, I renovated the whole house, and I love adding pieces that really just add some fun and contrast. So I thought these would be perfect. I love the striping on them, and I like that it's like this like cherry brown color. Kind of matches my nails actually, which would go really beautiful with the tones of wood in my home. But there were were a couple other options, especially in the beauty category, that I wanted to mention. The first being the Oribe Serene Scalp Oil Control Dry Shampoo Powder. So that retails for $46. I was looking into that, but I didn't know how much dry shampoo I really use nowadays. They also had the Serene Scalp Oil Control Treatment Mist, which I thought was interesting. This is $58. Oribe is super high-end luxury hair brand. And then also a couple other products, Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Setting Mist, retail value of $29. And then also Ilia Beauty, they had some cream highlighters and cream bronzers, retail $38. There was a bunch of different shades in there, but I really just could not get over the color of these mugs, and I knew I had to have them in my home. Moving on to choice number 3, I love a good dainty necklace, so I knew that I wanted this. So this is from a brand called Electric Pix, and this is the Camellia necklace in gold. So this has a retail value of $68. I immediately knew that I wanted this. I love layering gold necklaces. Gold is the color that I wear for all my jewelry, and I love something really dainty. It's just really easy to add to a look, and it makes me feel a little bit more polished. They did also have this option in silver, and then they had the Rare Beauty blushes, the Soft Pinch Luminous blushes that are $26 each. Those are so pretty. They give you like such a beautiful glow on the cheeks. And then a couple skincare products from Glow Recipe. We have the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. So that's a retail value of $45. I know a lot of people love Glow Recipe. And then also the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Corrector, retail value of $54. So I've actually used that and I own it. It's really good if you have redness, but again, I already own it. I have a lot of beauty products that I already own, so I like to dive into the other categories. But if you have someone in your life that loves beauty products, or you love beauty products, it's a really good way to try different skincare and beauty products as well. So that was choice 3. Let's move on to choice number 4. So I went ahead and chose another piece of jewelry that I'm wearing right now. This is from a brand I love called Love AJ, and these are the shell coil threader earrings in gold. So the retail value is $28, but these are really interesting. I've seen these like all over socials and I've never been able to try them. You actually thread all the way through your ear, so you can wear them in different ways. It really is your personal preference, and they're really dainty and fun. I like dainty earrings again, but this is like a fun twist on them, so you can make them longer or shorter, like depending on how you thread them through. And again, Love AJ is one of my favorite brands for jewelry. I just love how cute and trendy all of their products are, and they have really good quality jewelry as well. So a couple other options in this category. I was looking at the 8 Other Reasons jewelry travel bag for $49.95. I thought that might be nice for travel. And I also was checking out the Ceremonia. I've never tried anything from this brand. The Guava Leave-In Conditioner. I'm all about my hair, and you will see in a couple of my next picks. I love trying new hair products. I'm always trying to keep my hair healthy, which leads me into the choice number 5. And for this one, I went ahead and chose the Bondi Boost Heat Protectant Spray. So this retails for $20. I've tried some products from Bondi Boost, but I know a lot of people swear by them, and I'm always looking for a heat protectant spray that's gonna be really lightweight on my fine hair, but also protect it because I do bleach my hair. So I really wanted to try this. I've heard some really good things about it. There were some other options in here, like the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream. That retails for $18. I love that. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy on the hands. I just already own that. And then you can also do a luxe add-on for an additional $49, which is the Pat McGrath Mothership palette. So if you've been wanting to try one, that's a cool way to add it on. But for me, I'm on my hair journey and I'm excited to give this a try because I'm always looking for ways to keep my hair healthy, but also I'm gonna be styling my hair, so I need heat protection. For choice number 6, I went ahead and chose a product that I do have, but I really like it, and I thought I would throw one in my purse. So this is the Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, and I got Pink Beat. So this retails for $24. This is a newer product from Merit, and I love the tint to it. I like things that have a little bit of color to them, and it's a really like light formula. So it's not heavy or sticky. It's more of like on the go type of formula for me. So I could just throw this in my bag and it gives me a little bit of color if I feel like my lip liner's wearing off or my lip gloss. And I think this formula is just a really nice staple. They did have some other options in terms of the beauty category. So they had a couple shades of this, also one of their signature lightweight lipsticks. They are so good from Merit. That is $26 retail, but such a beautiful formula. And then also the Rare Beauty Hair and Body Mist, and that is $28. I also was looking at the Bloom Strawberry Kiwi Greens for $29.99. I just hear so much about Bloom that I was like, do I need it? Do I not? But then I was like, you know what? I will use this just in my purse, so this would probably be the best option for me. And I do think this is a really good choice. If you've not tried Merit, this or the lipstick, chef's kiss. So those were my 6 choices for my fall FabFitFun box, but they did throw in a bonus free 7th item. So I was really excited because this product I've been wanting to try. Again, I'm on my hair journey and I really want to hydrate my hair. And I don't know if I've used this before. If I have, it's been a long time. So I chose the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. I love Amika, but I just don't know if I've tried this. So this retails for $34 and people rave about this for hydration. So I really wanted to try this. I was just super curious. It smells really good and it looks like super thick and hydrating. So I am excited to give this a go. I really have been trying to add in more masks to my hair and just more hydrating products overall because I do feel like my hair is just really dry as of lately. So they had that option, but they did also have some Hourglass Voyeur eyeshadow sticks. They had quite a few shades and that is a $34 product. Hourglass obviously is a very high-end brand. And then they did have the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion and that retails for $28. So those were my picks, 7 full-size items in all different categories. And let me go ahead and add up the total on how much my box was worth. Okay, so after adding up the items retail value in my box, I got $318. So really such a good value. And I really love that it's customizable. If you're into beauty, they have a ton of different options, skincare, but if you're into home decor or just lifestyle products, health, wellness, fitness, they just have options for everyone. So I think that it's really cool that you get an array of options for each choice so that you can choose products that will work for you. Or this is a great way to grab products if you want to be gifting to people and you don't want to be spending hundreds of dollars. You can really get some amazing gifts in different categories for different people in your life. So I highly recommend checking out FabFitFun. I think it's just such a good sweet spot. You get 4 boxes a year and you get fun little surprises like a free 7th item. And as a member, you get exclusive access to shop the flash sales where they offer up to 70% off top brands like Prada, Free People, Fenty Beauty, and more. So many different perks for becoming a FabFitFun member. So I will leave the links at the top of my description box along with my codes to save if you want to sign up to become an annual member or a seasonal member. All of the information will be down below, but I highly recommend checking them out. I think it's just fun that they come out every season with a different theme and new products, which is really fun to see. And you can customize it so you get stuff that you will actually use and love. So all the information will be down below in my description box. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and seeing what I chose. And let me know if you did pick this up or if you are a member, what products did you choose? I always love hearing from you guys in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I hope you stick around and subscribe. As always, thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.